Hello everyone, we are Kaphaphysio, a professional manufacturer of physiotherapy equipment. In this video, I will show you how to use EMFOCUS in detail. Here is the machine screen. In body page, have 11 different symptoms. Treatment protocol can be read, and some recommended parameters such as intensities, frequencies, and ways. Now I'm gonna show you 11 treatment protocols one by one. The first symptoms, I will show you chronic back pain. We need to apply gel to the treatment body part first. Even though each body parts have the present parameter, you also can adjust the intensities by the therapy page based on your needs. Press here to start. Next, I'm gonna show you calcific tendons. Find the trigger point. Then apply the gel. Press here to stop. Next, I'm gonna show you degenerative joint ankle. Convert the trigger point. Apply gel. Next, I'm gonna show you jumper knees. Manual the energy. Clear stop. Find the trigger point. Apply gel. Next part is Plantar Fasciitis. Convert trigger point. Apply gel. Next part, with tendons. Convert the trigger point. Apply gel. Next part, tennis elbow. Convert trigger point. Apply gel. Next part is hip pain. Convert trigger point. Apply gel. Next part, tibial stress syndrome. Trigger point. Next part, heel spur. Find the trigger point. Apply gel. We also have a preset protocol for erectile dysfunction. During the treatment, you can adjust the water level. Click Therapy page. Pump the water into handle. For example, low water level for knee pain. High water level to waist. In addition, you can see the total energies, shocks, and times during the entire treatment. If you want to know how many shocks you used in the past, you can enter password in here. If you need more problems during operations, you can contact us in any time. See you in the next video.